Today, we're diving into an incredible innovation in the world of running shoes brought to us by the Swiss brand On. Known for their groundbreaking CloudTech technology, On is stepping it up again with a brand new innovation set to transform how we think about running gear. Let's talk about On's latest leap in footwear technology. They've just unveiled something called LightSpray, a cutting-edge spray-on manufacturing technique. Imagine a robotic arm, much like one you'd see in high-tech manufacturing, but it's making shoes. This arm sprays material to create ultralight one-piece uppers in just 3 minutes per shoe. That's a drastic cut down from the weeks-long process typical of traditional shoe manufacturing. LightSpray isn't just fast, it's revolutionary. The first shoe to feature this technology, the Cloudboom Strike LS, weighs in at only 170 grams, making it lighter than nearly any other running shoe on the market. For comparison, most top running shoes start at about 180 grams. This technology has already proven its worth. Kenyan long-distance runner Hellen Obiri wore the Cloudboom Strike LS when she won the Boston Marathon this April. That's right, these shoes are marathon-winning good. But what makes LightSpray truly special? According to Ilmarine Heights, On's Senior Director of Innovation, it's about more than just speed. This new method allows On to produce shoes with 75% less carbon emissions compared to their other racing footwear. It's a win for athletes and the environment. Another huge benefit is the ability to produce shoes closer to home. With this technology, On has been able to manufacture thousands of units right from their Zurich headquarters, all using just one robotic arm. This not only speeds up production, but could potentially reshape where and how products are made across the industry. And the timing couldn't be better. With the Olympic Games in Paris just around the corner, On is gearing up to showcase their LightSpray technology on the world stage. Several of their athletes will compete wearing the Cloudboom Strike LS, and On plans to hold live manufacturing demonstrations in Paris during the games. Meanwhile, giants like Nike are facing their own challenges. As Nike's sales numbers have shown a slight downturn, innovative brands like On are quickly making their mark and capturing the interest of both athletes and casual consumers. This shift is a clear indicator of the dynamic nature of the sportswear market and how innovation can drive brand growth and visibility. On is not stopping at just performance footwear. They're also looking to apply LightSpray technology to lifestyle shoes and are expanding their market presence with new tennis apparel, collaborations with high-profile designers like Loewe, and partnerships with celebrities like FKA Twigs and Zendaya. In a market that thrives on innovation, On's LightSpray technology represents a significant leap forward. As Ilmarine Heights said, the only reason why innovation is justified is when you can scale it. On is certainly scaling up, with record sales and a robust expansion into new categories. What do you think about On's new technology? Could LightSpray change the way we think about sports performance and environmental sustainability? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more updates on cutting-edge technology in sports apparel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.